is going to give people food, houses, farms, money and everything they want.
What's Mr. Mugabe going to do for you?
Employment for my husband, betterment for my husband, schools, clinics, peace. I think that's the things that I want.
What will you do if Mr. Mugabe doesn't give you these things?
I don't expect it. And I don't want to think about it. I'm sure he won't disappoint us. I'm sure of it.
Want a good and free country to live in.
And what else?
Jobs, good houses, better pay, and things like that.
I'm very happy about the victory of Mr. Mugabe, and I'm expecting big changes, such as people in these quarters will be removed to good houses. In the jobs, we'll be having equal jobs, equal money, and everything like that. There will be no racial discrimination between people.
How will you feel if Mr. Mugabe fails to bring these changes?
Well, that will leave it to the people.
I'd like to see if the people are as jubilant this time next year.
I feel sick. That's all I can say.
Are you going to stay in Rhodesia?
I don't think so.
Where will you go?
I'd go to Britain, in spite of the weather.
A little worried. I'm hopeful that this will sort of stop the war. If it stops the war, then I'd live under any conditions, quite honestly. The war has been dreadful. I lost my husband. I have 3 children to support. I am worried because if he should nationalise, as has been said, I stand to lose everything.
No, actually, I'm not too happy about it at all. Because, he's been responsible for, his men have been responsible for lots of atrocities, in this country. And also, he is a communist.
Well, I am frightened because I feel we've lost the war. We've been fighting for it, and all the things that everybody has fought for has gone. We've lost it.
But haven't you got any brains in your head to know what you've done?
How do you feel about Mr. Mugabe's victory?
I think it stinks, and the British stink with it because you just given a victory to bloody Russia, you idiot.